Hello everyone, my name is Seán Smith and this summer I worked in Xilinx as a Design Solutions Verification Engineer. This was as part of the DC STEM Teacher Internship Programme, and in my 12 weeks on this internship I interviewed staff members around the world, I built, ran and profiled applications on VITA software, I developed my own content knowledge around electronic engineering and the STEM industry, and I also developed some useful educational resources for both myself and the company. I have to say, for me, the internship was a fantastic learning opportunity, and it was really empowering to know that I, as a student teacher and a primary school teacher, can help diversify and enhance the STEM workforce in years to come. Like, the full impact of my internship, it wasn't seen on the day I left Xilinx, but it will be seen in maybe 10, 20 years down the line when more of my students are encouraged to take up STEM subjects and hopefully apply for a job in the corporate STEM environment. Another great thing about the internship was that I learned about some of SEWIT's amazing initiatives, and things like Digital Futures and Teen Turn, all these great initiatives that I can help get my future students involved with. And I suppose moving on, since Xilinx, I've spent time subbing in schools, and I've also been busy with my final year of college. And what the past 2 months or so has shown me is that the STEM teacher internship has had a huge impact on my teaching. It's made me realise the skills that young children need to develop at primary level. If you had asked me last April what skills an engineer needed, I would honestly have not thought about things like the skills of communication or collaboration or critical thinking or problem solving. But that's what the internship has taught me. And I suppose just before I finish up, in terms of remote working, I obviously did my internship remotely because of COVID-19. But if you're interested in either doing the internship or taking a student on, please do not be scared for the fact that it might be remote. Once I was set up with all the infrastructure, I was flying. I was interviewing staff members, working with my team, shadowing meetings, all within a few days. So yeah, this internship program is brilliant, and thanks to the wonderful staff at Xilinx and CWIT and DCU, I now know so much more about the STEM industry, and I cannot wait to use this to empower future generations to take up the STEM subjects, apply for a job in the corporate STEM environment one day, or just take part in more STEM activities. So thank you very much for listening.